Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and today we're just going to do a quick unboxing of our Nike Air 180s new colour that we received. We do collect trainers as well, and a couple of people have asked to see these, considering we have a couple of pairs of previous models. So these just arrived, and the Air Max 180 white bright ceramic blank ceramic VIF on the box. And there's nothing special about the box. This is the Nike logo, swoosh, and the usual bits and bobs that are presented on the back of the box with Nike Air Soul brand, and so on. So this is a nice colour, a new colour that's just launched, and this is what they look like here. So we'll just pop them over there for now. So they're kind of like the Concorde version, if you remember back when this was black here. But these still look rather nice indeed. And you can see the 180 visible air unit there with the Nike logo on the bottom. And we have the Nike Air 180 on the tongue. And inside we do have the sleeve for the feet. So laces, you don't really need laces in these, but you'll probably wear them anyway. And inside here we have the tag as well for the size, and of course we have the inner foot sole, which is in orange there, and that's pretty much what they look like there, and pretty nice indeed, and very nice colour. Now in comparison to the original ultramarines, which are here, which we also have, everything is pretty much the same. We'll get the same shoe. So that's it there. Same again on the back, and underneath everything is the same. And they all look quite well indeed. So we have both shoes there. And again, inside we have the matching ultramarine inner sole there, and this one that's orange matching the tongue, or the Nike swoosh here, and the 180 brand here up on the front. So that's just the new Air 180 colour that we've got in on our trainer collection, and that's pretty much it. And if you're a Nike Air 180 fan, you will like them, and they'll last you quite some time, and they are very comfortable indeed. And I've quite a few pairs of these now in my own collection here, and I like this colour here. So also now Nike have customizable Air 180s as well, costing a little bit more, starting at €170. So you can customize them, as we've done a pair before too, so we'll probably get a new pair done with our own design on them. So we look forward to doing that in the near future. And that's pretty much it now. That's the Air 180 from Nike, the latest colour released. Any questions, hit us up in the comments.